I got a new product announcement. WeldMonger brand dual flow meters with the best warranty in the industry.
The reason we're able to offer such a good warranty on it is because I've done so much testing on it. When you open the box, you'll see this QR code. The camera on your smartphone will hover over that QR code, highlight this link, you'll click it, and it takes you to a page where you can enter your information and activate your warranty. Another thing is I've made sure this is nestled in high density foam. A problem I've had in the past with different brand flow meters is the packaging. You could pretty much drop this off the rooftop and it'd still be okay. There are so many different brands of TIG welders out there. Some of them use bare hose with clamps and barbed fittings. Others use a 5/8 fitting and an inert gas hose. We've got you covered with either option. So whether you want to use a standard inert gas hose with a 5/8 18 fitting, this coupling will get you there. Or if you want to use a bare hose, like even automotive vacuum line, you can use the barbed fitting. Sometimes I use automotive vacuum line, other times I use the clear braided hose for a purge line.
Let's go over a couple tips for connecting the dual flow meter. So let's hook it up. Comes with 2 sets of couplings, barbed fittings, and whatnot. You can use pretty much any type of hose. If I want to use just a standard 5/8 18 inert gas fitting, all I need to do is hook this one up. Now for the purge side, you may be using bare hose. This is clear braided hose available at any big box store. This is available at any automotive store. This is just vacuum line. It's very flexible, fits on a barbed fitting really easily. It's not recommended for titanium, but I've used it on pretty much everything else. You still want to put this on, but you want to put the barbed fitting on there and then screw that in. I'll get that tight. All right, this is the vacuum, automotive vacuum line. You can see how easily that fits on there. The drawback of that is if you run over that with your chair, it can pinch it and pop it loose, okay? But this stuff is a lot more stiff, a lot less likely to get pinched, on at least pinched to where it doesn't purge anymore. And this works pretty good on here too. So you could just slide that on there, put a hose clamp here. Really all it needs is a cheap, spring clamp. But I don't really love these things, but they work enough to keep this on there. Get a little crank on that thing. I've had some that if you tighten it just a little bit, it actually leaks. When you're ready to turn the cylinder on, you don't want to be sticking your eyeballs right in here like this. Just a lot of pressure here. I would say look away. Honestly, look away. Slowly crack the valve. You don't want to shoot all that pressure in that regulator all at once. Slowly crack the valve, then when it registers, you can go as fast as you want, and you want it open all the way. You want to backseat it. These high pressure argon cylinders have a backseat valve, and if you don't backseat it and you forget to turn it off and you go inside and go to bed, you can leak a little bit around the stem and waste all your argon, come back the next day and your tank's almost empty, so you don't want that. I got a little soapy solution in here. You can leak check your fittings pretty easily. See, we don't want that. You go to bed with that doing that, you're going to wind up with an empty tank, okay? We get a little torque on it. Good to go. If you're done for the day, remember, turn your gas all the way off. And that's it.